Hello, in front of me I've got Roccat SYN. In this video I'll show you how to manage profiles. In the beginning, go to Roccat Swarm app. Now, on the bottom of the app we've got the game profiles and profile manager. Right here you can enable auto switch between profiles, you can delete them, and you can import your profiles. Here we've got the profile we can rename. We can add application for the profile, export profile, import profile, delete profile, set as desktop profile, and enable profile auto switch. And that's basically it. In the end you can enable auto apply for profiles. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.